In this video, we're gonna check out 2 AI tools you can use for free as a beginner. You don't need to spend a single dime, it's completely free. Let's jump right into the tutorial video. And hey, drop a like, comment, and subscribe so I stay motivated to keep making cool content for you guys. Here's the tutorial. The first tool is VEO3. So now you guys can access VEO3 for free on the official site. Just search for labs.google, and there you'll get 50 free daily credits you can use to make videos. But this only lasts until August 31st. After that, you won't get the daily credits anymore. Using it is pretty simple. Just log in with your email and click New Project here. Then you'll land on the main screen, which looks like this. There are different menus here, including one for creating characters if you want. It's already available. There are also some free tools you can use here to help you make content. Just check out whichever fits what you need. Now, let's try making a video based on a prompt. We'll switch the model to the video model. Here, we're using a 16:9 aspect ratio. And the cool thing is, you can even use OmniFlash to make the video. Once that's set, you can pick the duration. Let's go with 10 seconds and just generate one result. After that, we just enter the prompt. This is a random prompt I made, and we'll hit send. It'll start processing the video right away, so just wait until it's done. And once it's finished, here's the video we just created. This is the result. So, making this video costs us about 15 credits. Now we've got 35 points left, which means we can still make around 2 more videos for free. If your credits run out, you can just log in with a different email to grab some extra credits. Now, let's move on to the second free tool for making Seedance 2.5. The tool we're using to make Seedance videos is Dala.ai, and this one's genuinely free. You don't even need to subscribe to anything since there's no subscription feature at all. Just search Dala in your browser and log in. You can log in with Google, Facebook, your phone number, or Apple. We'll just use Google here to make it easier. Once you're in, the layout looks like this. It's not just Seedance 2.5 available here, there's also image generation using Dream 5 Pro version, which you can access for free too. You can set the aspect ratio, pick a style, and use the templates that are already there. The AI chat section is pretty solid too, since there's a pro version that helps analyze whatever text you need. Now let's try the video model. We'll click on the video creation feature, and if you check here, Dreamina Seedance 2.5 is already available. Just click on the model, and the duration here is limited to either 10 seconds or 5 seconds. Now we just type in the prompt, set the ratio to 16:9, and hit send. Then just wait for the video to finish processing. After waiting a bit, the video's done, and here's the result. And that's it, guys. Those are the 2 AI tools you can use for free right now. So what are you waiting for? Go try them out and put them to good use. Thanks so much to everyone who's been supporting me with likes, comments, and subscriptions. Thanks again, and see you in my next video.